Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with entering the recents. If you've got the gestures set, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. And if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon. So let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the list of all installed, not installed, but all opened apps. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them. Just swipe it up like that. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you want to close all with only one click, just go to the very left of the list and tap on clear all. And we've just closed all of them. You can enter the recents to check. We've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.